Quick, which city is this? Dubai? Toronto? Shanghai? Dubai? Here's the thing, it doesn't really matter. Because more and more cities around the world are starting to look exactly the same, and that's not an accident. Glass towers, beige apartment blocks, that coffee shop with the exposed brick and hanging plants. Look
into this. Does it look interesting? One of the biggest platforms, Vox, is making this kind of unique style explainer video, and they are making it big. At first glance, you may think it's the result of day and night hard work of an animator team. Now, what if I tell you that I made this video using only AI, and it's free? Yes, that's right. And today, I am going to share the step-by-step method with AI. So, let's dive in. Before starting the main video, I am going to introduce an amazing platform called FanView. It's a subscription-based social media platform for influencers that allows AI creators to build a profile, grow an audience, and monetize their content directly. It allows you to connect with your fans through messaging and other features. It's the only platform with AI messaging, voice notes, and analytics all in one place. To start your money-making journey with FanView, click on Sign Up here. Now you can create an account with your email or connect with your X, Facebook, or Google account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this one. Now click on Start Earning. Now enter your country of residency. After that, you have to verify your identity with KYC verification. Once you've completed verification, you can set up your page and set your subscription rate. The minimum rate is $4 monthly. That means if anyone subscribes to your profile, then you will be paid $4. After that, you can link your other social accounts with FanView. And that's it. You are now a FanView creator. Now you can start uploading your content and start making money with your AI influencer model. Okay, now let's get back to how we can make Vox-like videos with AI. Alright, today I'm going to start from the scratch. First, let's create the idea. Open ChatGPT or any other chat model. I am inside ChatGPT. And I am typing. I want to create a Vox-style explainer video. Make a list of some topics that will fit the style. And here you can see that ChatGPT comes up with a huge number of ideas. Now, you have to select one of the ideas from here. Let's say, I am going with this one. So, I am copying the idea and come to the prompt box. Now I am typing, I want to make videos with this idea. After that, I am entering the video idea and then typing again. Now can you please give me a script? And the script is generating. Okay, the script is ready. It creates a 10-minute video script for me, and it's really great. Matches the Vox vibe. Now, I will break this script into scenes and then generate detailed prompts. So, I am coming to the prompt box again. Now I am typing. Now break the script into short Vox-style scenes around 10 seconds each. Describe what should happen and create an interesting voiceover. The video style should look like this. After that, I am entering a reference video of Vox. Once done, hit the generate button. And here it is, the scenes are ready. Every scene has detailed visual and voiceover reference. Okay, now, we are going to create the video prompts. So, I am typing. Now write a detailed video prompt for the first scene. Use the same style as in the reference image. Describe the style exactly and include the following: flat 2D graphics, animated maps, icons, data visualizations, smooth camera movements, and elements building up step by step. And after that, I will add a reference image I already collected. Once done, I will hit the send button. And here it is, I got the video prompt. And you can see the result. This is really an amazing prompt. It has everything in it. Okay, our scene 1 prompt is ready. Now it's time to create the video clips. To create the video, I will use Google Flow. It gives 50 free credits every day. That's enough for making 5 videos for free. I will also mention the full free method later in this video. So stay tuned. Okay, I am inside Google Flow. This is the prompt box. You have to turn off the agent mode and then come to the settings. Set the video generation mode. After that, set the mode to ingredients and then set the aspect ratio. Next, set the number of video clips and then set the video model. We have to select the Gemini Omni model. In the end, we have to set the video duration. The first scene is 8 seconds long, so I am setting it to 8. Now copy the first scene video prompt and paste it into the Google Flow prompt box. After that, hit the generate button. The video is generating. And look at the result.
Our world is deeply connected through a vast global network of movement, where millions of people every day.
This is really amazing. Look at the animation, the quality. It creates a world map. locations are detected, and people icons are moving. This is exactly the Vox style. However, there is an issue with the voiceover. It doesn't match the script. That's because we didn't add the script inside the prompt. We can fix it. Just copy the voiceover script and enter it inside the prompt and regenerate the video. And here is the result.
Every morning, billions of people wake up for one reason: to go to work.
Okay, our first scene is ready. Now let's create the second scene prompt. Just ask ChatGPT to create the second scene prompt. Once the prompt is ready, we can create the video. However, this time, I will create the video with the best AI video generator. And to do that, I will use Openart AI. This is the biggest platform for content creators. You can access over 120 AI models and features under a single subscription. It's countless amazing features to create amazing content. Today, I will use the video generator mode. I am selecting the text-to-video generator feature. Okay, this is the text-to-video generator interface. Now, first of all, you have to set the video model. You will find over 30 top AI video generator models here. You can use any one. I am selecting the Seedance 2.0 model. Once the model is set, enter the prompt inside the text box. After that, go to the settings. Set the model, duration, and other settings. Once you are done, hit the Generate button. And look at this.
But what if, tomorrow morning, almost nobody needed to?
This is really amazing. Far, far better than the first one. So, if you want the best result and want to create video clips without interruption, use Seedance 2.0 or any other powerful model inside Openart AI. And not only video, but you can also create images, songs, 3D, and the director mode can create a full movie from a single idea. So, don't forget to try Openart AI. The link will be in the description. Okay, now I am going to create the third scene. I am generating the third scene prompt. And here it is. The prompt is ready. This time, I am going to tell you the platform where you can create unlimited free videos. It's called Vibes AI, a new AI video generator platform by Meta AI. Once you are on this page, click on the Create New button from here. This is the content generation page. At the bottom, you will find the prompt box. Now first, select the mode. You can create video, image, and lip sync video. I am selecting video. Next, you can add character, style, and scene. These are ingredients. I will make another separate video on this amazing feature. Okay, next you can add the start and end frames of the video. We don't need this. Okay, in the end, we have to select the resolution from advanced settings. I will go with 720p for better and crisp visuals. Okay, now enter the prompt here in this box. Once done, hit the send button to generate the video. And here it is. You can see that it is creating 4 videos. And here it is, the video clips are ready. And you can see the result. This is amazing. However, we have a problem here. It creates only 5-second videos, and it only creates videos in a 9:16 ratio. Don't worry, we can fix the ratio issue. As for the duration, you have to create a 5-second long prompt to create a perfect video. Let's see how we can create a video in landscape ratio. To do that, we have to create the first frame image of the video. I asked GPT to give me the image prompt. Once I got the prompt, I will create the image using Google Flow. Because here image generation is free, I am switching back to the image generation mode, and then entering the image prompt and then generating the video. And here it is, the image is ready, and it looks really amazing. Now, save the image to your device. Once done, come back to Vibes AI. Select the start and end frame, and then click on Add Start Frame. A pop-up will appear. Now click on the Upload button and then upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, add the image to the first frame. Now enter the prompt and then set all other settings and then generate the video. And here it is, the video is ready. So, now we can create video in landscape ratio also. So, now following this method, you can create all other video clips and make the final video. Today, I shared 3 methods of creating Vox-style explainer videos. If you are interested in making this kind of video, you can use any method. So, give it a try. If you found this video helpful, a like really helps this reach more people, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, that's it from me. Go make something. I'll see you in the next one.